who, what, when, which, where, why. So many WH words, so many confusions. Let's learn WH words and its uses with the help of this wheel. This will help us to understand where to use which WH words. Hello kids, let's begin our class. The first WH word is WHO, who. Who is used for person. When we want to ask about person, we will use who. Like, who are you? We are asking about that person. So we are using who. Who are you? The next WH word is where. 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 Where is used for place. When we want to ask about a place, location, we use where. Where is my bag? I want to know the place. Where is my bag? So I will ask, where is my bag? Where are you going? Tell me the place. Where are you going? The next WH word is when. 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 When is used for time. When we want to know the time, we will use the WH word when. When are you coming to meet me? When. Tell me the time, date. When will you come to meet me? Understood, children? The next WH word is why. 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 Why is used for reason. When we want to know the reason, the motive behind it, the reason behind it. Why? Why did you do that? Like, why have you done this? Understood? We will use why. 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 The next WH word is what. 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 What is used for things. Like, what is your name? I want to know your name. So I will ask, what is your name? The next WH word is which. 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 Which is used for choice. When we want to know someone's choice, we will use the word which. Which is your favorite color? Which is your favorite dress? Like that way. So we learned about 6 different WH words and its uses. Like who. WHO. Who, used for person. Where. WHERE. Where, used for place. When. WHEN. When, used for time. Why. WHY. Why, used for reason. What. WHAT. What, used for thing. Which. WHICH. Which, used for choice. Understand, children? Bye. See you in the next class.